All right, so I am getting ready to go. I am all packed up, leaving the Maple Festival campground. It's a big day today. I am going to be on crossing the Eastern Continental Divide, going over the Mason-Dixon line, going through the Big Savage Tunnel, and I get to ride with my friend, Cheré. Oh my God, this is so exciting. And we are going to be riding to her house in Cumberland. All right, come on, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Cheré and I just climbed out of Meyersdale, and we are now on the trail, on the gap, headed east to Cumberland. And that is where the Gap Trail ends and the C&O picks up into Washington, D.C. I'm very excited to be riding with Cheré today. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine. It's a little nippy still, but I think it's going to warm up quick. And we are coming up to the Eastern Continental Divide. Oh, isn't this exciting? Yeah, it's beautiful. I like the way they're documenting it. Oh, and then there's something inside. Oh yeah, look at this. 2,392 feet above sea level. And from this point, Cheré and I, we get to go down. This is very, very, very exciting. And Cheré and I are headed down on the gap. So fun, easy pedaling. And we have come to the Mason and Dixon line. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Mason and Dixon spelled out on these blocks. Wow, somebody put some effort into this. right, so Cheré and I have ridden to the very end. This is actually the very end of the C&O path, right? 184.5 on the water here. We've just had a fantastic ride. Loved every minute of it. The weather's been just fantastic and the scenery too. And it was just very, very special to ride with Cheré today. And thank you guys for following along and welcome to Cumberland, Maryland.